Monster Minds.
Seasons. Today we are here to learn seasons. As the year passes, there are regular changes in the weather. This cycle of change of weather is divided into 4 parts, which are called seasons. The 4 seasons are spring, summer, autumn and winter. Spring. Spring marks the beginning of the blooming of flowers. The temperatures are slightly chilly, and the daylight hours become longer than they were in winter. It may also be windy or chilly some.
Summer.
Summer season is when the temperature increases and it becomes hot. People enjoy cool breezes and ice creams to keep themselves cool during this season. It is also the season when you get ripe mangoes. Autumn. Autumn marks the transition towards winter. Animals go into hibernation, and the trees start shedding their leaves in preparation for winter. The days become shorter, or the temperatures become chilly.
Winter.
Winter is the white season. The temperature becomes very cold, and the daylight becomes even less. In some countries, the sun sets before 4 p.m. It also snows in some places.